Today we will be doing a quick revision on control and coordination for board exams. The chapter brief and the points discussed are here. We started with sensory stimulus response, voluntary, involuntary and reflex actions. The reflex actions are of two kinds, cerebral reflex and a spinal reflex. So we studied detail the spinal reflex with its parts and functions of the reflex arc, having sensory receptors, sensory neurons, motor neurons and relay neurons. We have also studied the sensory nerve, motor nerves and mixed nerve classification of nerves, structure and function of neurons with reference to dendrite, dendron, cell body, axon, axonite, synapse, dendrite of next neuron, the pathway of reflex arc. Then coming to the division of nervous system of central nervous system, peripheral nervous system and autonomous nervous system, which again classified into brain and spinal cord, cranial nerves and spinal nerves and sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. So after that we have studied the structure and function of brain and spinal cord, location and protection with the various parts of 1 to 8, having the protective covering of cranium and 3-layered meninges with the cerebrospinal fluid and the spinal cord resting in the vertebral column and which will be filled with the cerebrospinal fluid which acts as a shock absorber, and the parts of the brain, the forebrain consisting of cerebrum and corpus callosum 1 and 2. The midbrain consists of pineal gland, hypothalamus and pituitary gland 3, 4 and 5, and the hindbrain consisting of cerebellum, medulla oblongata and pons 6, 7 and 8. So they are having the respective functions of memorizing, transmission of impulses between the two hemispheres, pineal gland being the master glands secreting melatonin to know the day and night awareness. Hypothalamus is the center for basic instinct such as sex drive, thirst and hunger and even temperature regulation. Coming to the pituitary gland, master of the master glands which control all the endocrine glands. The hindbrain consisting of cerebrum, posture and balance, medulla for involuntary actions and pons for respiratory center. Having done that, we came to the chemical coordination in animals with the endocrine glands, 9 sets: pineal, pituitary, hypothalamus, thyroid, parathyroid, thymus, pancreas, adrenal, testes and ovary, and those which have the endocrine and the exocrine function having dual functions we have studied in detail. Okay, so you will be remembering, and coming to the next class we will be having a quick revision test based on this concept. Go through the notes and study hard. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.